My name is John Bailey, also known as Banksy.
I am a visual artist and designer from Brooklyn, New York. I recently graduated from Fashion Institute of Technology with an associate's and bachelor's in illustration. The first time I modeled sneakers, I was working as a teaching artist at a children's museum, and we were using recycled materials. Ever since then, I just loved building something out of nothing, especially with sneakers because sneaker culture is such a huge part of my life.
Today I'm going to be showing you my submission for the Adidas Pensole concept camp. This is what the packaging will be. It's going to have my brand logo right here, as well as on the top of the box. Inside is going to have receipts, a business card, as well as a memory foam insole. See, this foam is hand embroidered with the Adidas logo. It all started with a concept sketch. From the sketch, I took an old insole. I used that to trace the base of the sneaker. I used cardboard. After the cardboard, I found an old broken laundry basket. I cut that up and I hot glued it to make the skeleton. After I did that, I took the cardboard and I went paper mache style, cut it thin, wrapped it around the frame, hot glued it, and then I found some old socks and some old undies. They were clean. I used that, cut it up, and then I resewed it, as you see here. All of this is hand sewn. I wrapped it over the skeleton. I hot glued it down so that everything is sturdy and prim. The sole right here is made out of styrofoam from packaging, Amazon, all of that. It's wrapped in electrical tape. This right here is also electrical tape. The 3-stripe branding is made out of electrical tape. This also is a functioning zipper I found. Hot glued on, sewed on right here. Yeah. I'll call these the the Skies. This idea is going to be a basketball sneaker. The sole is going to be an Ultra Boost midsole with the rubber outsole. There's going to be a knit upper, laceless, functioning zipper closure. This also turns into a high top. This adds additional ankle support, shin protection, fast, easy, mobile, split sole for quick ball handling and fast footwork, traction. It's flexible, but I can't flex it right now. The sneaker industry is said to be a billion-dollar industry, and me being a young black male, I feel like we're always the consumers, and this is giving me an opportunity to produce. I feel like I'm young. I feel like we know what we want, and we know how we wear it, and we know what to style. And I feel like this is giving me an opportunity to take all that I know from my peers and my surroundings and my environment and put it into actual production and manifest something great.